video has been sponsored by King Maps, 5Guard, and Just Scripts. Check their website in the description.
Hello everyone, welcome to Zexus Development. In this video, we are going to install a Mailbox Robbery script into our FiveM server. So without any further ado, let's get to the installation process. So this is the script which are going to install into FiveM server. I'll put the link in the description below. To download the script, you just need to scroll down over here. Then click on this GitHub link. Then click on code and download the script. After downloading it, we just need to extract the file into our FiveM resource folder. So I'll be extracting it over here. Just like this. Now rename the file and remove the main from the name. Now open the file. Go to configs. Then cl_config.lua. For the interaction, I'll be changing the aux to QB over here. And for the minigame, I'll be changing the SK minigame to aux over here. The dispatch is going to be PS dispatch. The item required to rob the mailbox is going to be lockpick. This is the duration which you can configure according to your use. So I'll be keeping them default for now. And these are the props of the mailboxes. And rest of the things you can configure from here. Now open the hp_config.lua. From here you can configure the reward item which you will get after when you rob the mailbox. So that's it for the installation part. Now let's start the server. So we are in a server now, and over here you can see I have the items to rob the mailbox over here. So now let's rob this mailbox which is over here. For that, interact the mailbox with your target eye. Then click on lockpick mailbox. Oh my god. Okay, as you can see, I have successfully lockpicked the mailbox which is over here. So yes guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos related to FiveM development. Goodbye.